Hi, I'm Colotl and I am a Tapestry Crochet artist. I'm super passionate about Tapestry Crochet because it allows me to create some amazing and beautiful artwork. In case you haven't seen any of my previous art, you can check it out in the links below. As many of you know, we're currently in May, which means that it's graduation season. I'm proud to announce to you that after many years of hard work, I have finally received my Doctorate of Pharmacy degree from the University of California, San Francisco. And in preparation for this ceremony, I thought to myself, what could I make for such a special occasion? And after much thinking, I finally decided that I was going to make two graduation sashes. I made this video in order to show all of you these graduation sashes. These are the two sashes that I crocheted. The first one that I made was Colotl Scorpion. I used teal, yellow, and red. It is 8 inches wide and 85 inches long. I crocheted 7 scorpions in a repeating pattern, added a stepped border, and I also added a pyramid shape at the bottom and beaded it. You may be wondering why I chose to make a sash out of scorpions, and the reason that I made the sash out of scorpions is because I see the scorpion as my symbol. Scorpions are animals that are intense and determined, which are qualities that I possess. Also, my name Colotl in Nahuatl means burnt water scorpion. This is the second sash I made. It is Cohuatl, the Serpent. It is about 8 inches wide and 70 inches long. I used magenta, white, 2 greens, and gold. I crocheted 2 feathered serpents, added an intricate swirl pattern, and beaded each end. I chose to wear this serpent sash to my graduation because in Mesoamerican cultures, the feathered serpent represents knowledge and learning. People were really amazed by this sash. As I stood up in front of the stage and I could see everybody, I could also hear a collective gasp because people were so surprised. And at that moment, I was very proud of myself. I hope that you really enjoyed my video. I'm currently working on a book to show people how to tapestry crochet. I'm also creating more art. You can always follow me to see my new art on Instagram at Pakilistli or on Facebook, facebook.com/Pakilistli. Thank you very much. La Sokamati.